Ready to kick up your brain? Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? Japan. What is the largest species of shark? Whale shark. Which of the following trees produces acorns? Oak. What is a tabby in relation to cats? A type of cat coat pattern. What is the primary ingredient in guacamole? Avocado. Which ocean is the smallest in terms of surface area? Arctic Ocean. Which type of forest is characterized by having the most biodiversity? Tropical rainforest. Which type of pasta is shaped like small rice grains? Orzo. What is the name of the first video game ever created? Pong. What is the longest mountain range in the world? Andes. Let's take a break. Ready? Which of these particles has no electrical charge? Neutron. What does USB stand for in computer hardware? Universal Serial Bus. Which period in Earth's history is known for the dominance of dinosaurs? Mesozoic. What type of pastry is used to make a French croissant? Puff pastry. What is the largest island in the world? Greenland. Which desert is the largest in the world? Sahara. Which pet is known for being nocturnal and having the ability to chirp? Gecko. Which country has the most natural lakes? Canada. What is the primary ingredient in the Italian dessert tiramisu? Mascarpone cheese. What is the main gas found in the Earth's atmosphere? Nitrogen. Finish! How's your score? Subscribe for more.